Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:19 here in the middle part of the country on Wednesday. It's May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to you. Here's your morning jog of the economic headlines from around the world. Filming this just a little bit late here this morning so I can include the ADP private payroll number. Came in at 742,000 new jobs added. That's a little bit lower than consensus. 800,000 was a number analysts were looking for. Really, this is a precursor. A couple of things here on the docket. We have the EIA energy data coming out later today, expecting a big crude and gasoline and diesel draw. The API data came out yesterday. The private version of the EIA report had some big draws. We'll see if the economy is starting to heat up on the energy side. Certainly on the employment side, it's doing fairly well. And of course, we have total payrolls, total non-farm payrolls this week, at the end of the week, looking for about 1 million new jobs. Big data week here today. This first report, not super great. U.S. 10-year on that note, pretty stable. Not a ton of move. Still at about 1.6%. Here's a story out of Toronto. Toronto home prices are falling. That's interesting because home prices everywhere else are skyrocketing. But as folks move out of the biggest city in Canada, moving to maybe some more rural areas, home prices in Toronto are falling. Now, of course, Canada really is a canary in the coal mine for real estate. Much of the Canadian economy is actually based upon foreign investors bringing dollars in and investing in properties in Canada. It'll be interesting to see if slowly we see some liquidity out of that market. Could be a harbinger of additional slowdowns in world capital movement as we go forward. A couple of interesting stories here off the wire this morning. Circle K is going to have a drink membership program. It's going to be $6 a month. You get one free drink a day with that membership program. I think that's a steal, especially if you're like me. You drive past a gas station every day. If you're a construction worker, go in, get your coffee, and it's already paid for. That's pretty sizable discount to the $2 a soda might cost in a bottle, or 99 cents from the fountain if you go 4 or 5 times a week. I think it's brilliant to get folks in their store every day. Sip and Save is the program, Circle K. I would certainly check it out if you have Circle K's in your area. And then Blue Origin is going to sell their first tickets to outer space here this morning. Blue Origin, of course, is Jeff Bezos' private space travel company. Of course, they're going to charge about $200,000 plus per ticket. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic already sending folks to space. Just a new frontier, and can't wait to see what is going forward for Blue Origin. That is what I had here for this morning. If you want some additional information throughout the day, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's OKCCFACFP. Until then, happy Cinco de Mayo. I am out.